Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am filming another quick and easy video. This time I'm going to be using the suite Truly Tailor, and as usual this comes as a bundle, so you get the stamp set as well as the punch and you save 10%, or you can only get the stamp set or this one separately. We already know that this one is retiring, so by June 1st, this will be gone. And Stampin' Up! Has already advised that all the stamp sets are still available or guaranteed through May 25. But after that, then it's only while supply lasts. So if you like this suite for the men in your life, definitely get this one right away. So anyway, so I'm going to be doing a card with this. I'm going to be featuring several cards during the next days, but I wanted to make sure you see it also in action. So anyway, so let me just start. And so I am using Tranquil Tide, and this one is 5.5 by 8.5, which as usual we're going to be folding in half. And all right, then I have a piece of Very Vanilla, and this one is 3 3/4 by 5. I have, let me just show you, I have some pieces from the Coordinating Design Series paper, and this one is called Truly a Gentleman, and believe me, this is a really neat set of design series paper that just goes perfectly for manly cards. So definitely this is a must have especially for masculine cards, right? So anyway, this one is 3.5 by 3.5. This one is 1.5 by 3.5, because I want to have a little bit of a border there, right? So anyway, so let's just start gluing these together. I'm using my fast fuse, and by the way, this one is retiring and I think it's already sold out. So I think at this point we should start using a snail, I think. I still have some fast fuse in my stack, so I'll be using it still, but please note that we probably need to start using a snail if you don't have fast fuse anymore. So anyway, so for this section I'm just going to be lining up, and you can see it right here. I'm also using another coordinating item, and this is the corduroy ribbon, and this one comes in Night of Navy, I believe is the color. Yeah, Night of Navy. And so I'm going to be cutting like so. And so I'll be using some glue dots to glue this ribbon. Yes. And so this one will go exactly here. So you can tell. Is that not gorgeous? I mean, everything coordinates really nicely. I mean, that's, I'm not tired of saying it over and over, but having color coordination on all your embellishments, cards, inks is just awesome. I mean, I just think that that's one of the biggest advantages of Stampin' Up! Products, really. So anyway, so this will go like so. And you can see this is already looking gorgeous. Now, just want to make sure you all know, but I actually saw this idea at Pinterest, and I don't remember who it was from. I'm inking the little bow with chocolate chip. And by the way, chocolate chip is one of those colors that are retiring. So again, if you like it, don't let it go. I'm using a scrap of Very Vanilla, and I messed it up here. Let me just get a scrap of paper here for a second, because I want to do this one on Tranquil Tide, which is the color of of the card base. So let me just clean my stamp set. But these things happen. Just clean your stamp set and it's all good, you know. So let's just go ahead and do that. All right, and again, this is just a scrap of the vanilla, very vanilla, which using our coordinating punch, we're gonna cut. We're gonna cut it. I think this is perfect. So let's just go ahead and do that. And I'm gonna be using dimensionals for these. Oh, you know what? A little bit here. And one more. Yes, I always use a lot of dimensionals, as you can see. Huh. Alright, and I'm going to be putting them here. Now, I don't like that gum, and that's the reason why I am covering it with a little bow, the type of, or I don't know. Alright, so let's just go ahead. And you know what? We could also have cut one of the ones from the Design Series paper, you know. Anyway, it's fine. I think, let me see if this covers it. Hopefully it does. Yes, it does. So we're going to be using dimensionals, and I think I still have, yeah, I have one of those little bitty ones, the mini dimensionals, of course. So let's just use those, and let's just and here we go. Here it is. I like it the way it is. So what do you think? This is very manly, right? I think that this will be just perfect for any occasion. Well, really like a birthday. But anyway, so if you like the video, go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, don't forget that in 2018 I'm doing a what is this? An ordering incentive. So for every order that you enter on my online, well, not for every, if you enter an online order in my online store using the hostess code, and you get the hostess codes by going into my blog at creatingwithali.com. I don't share it here because I don't know which month you're going to be watching this video, but if you go to my blog creatingwithali.com, you can always get the most recent hostess code. But anyway, if you use that hostess code, you get 4 cards in the mail. Well, actually, you get the card kit to make 4 cards. Everything is cut out. Everything is ready for you. The only thing that I do not provide is the stamping, because by Stampin' Up! Policies, I cannot do that. So, but I'll send you the instructions with all the supplies that I use on the cards, and so you can recreate. Now, if your order is $50 or more, you also get, on top of the card kit of the month, you also get the embellishment of the month. So again, if you like to get that card kit, make sure you enter an online store, and again, you get all the information about that in my blog at creatingwithali.com. So thank you so much, and see you soon. Bye.